good, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. As you guys can see, we have something special today. But before we get into the video, shout out to anybody that is new to the channel. Dang, my intro all messed up. First, I hope everybody out there is having a blessed day. Also, shout out to anybody that is new to the channel. And while you are here, be sure to click on that subscribe button down below. Now, I'm not gonna cap, bruh. It is hot up in here. My AC just went out. It's in the middle of getting repaired. So, I'm gonna be sweating throughout this video. Not only, is the AC out, but we got some heat today. So, got my little preacher rag here. And we go, we're gonna make it do what it do. So, I am only here to record this video. I'm not staying here while my AC is out because, bro, like the last couple of weeks has been like 110, 15. But anyways, we are here for the LeBron 8 Space Jam, A New Legacy. Here we are, and bruh, I have been wanting these shoes, or I have been feeding over these shoes since I seen the first leaked images of them. Now, there was early pictures of a LeBron 18 high, like really colorful. It was like the colorway of the actual new Toon Squad jersey. As you see, I'm rocking the old school, you know what I'm saying? Salutes to MJ. And I will be getting the LeBron Toon Squad jersey when it comes out. But the LeBron 18 is the colorway of the new Toon Squad jersey. So that shoe was already out, and there has been like pictures and everything of it. And then these popped up. From the moment I seen them, I had to have them. Definitely a collector's piece, bruh. This is definitely going to be a shoe that any LeBron fan will want in their collection. It's a nice little, few little details to it. So basically, we have these flakes right here underneath the swoosh, and on this area right here is like little like holographic flakes, and it kind of changes colors. It's the way that when the light hits on it. And then we have this LeBron silhouette right here, the silhouette of his character in the movie, and then behind him is this design of like computer chips. Also, you have Bugs Bunny right here on the heel. And then I guess depending on your pair, because I did see Jada Sneaker Guy, his shoe actually has Space Jam spelled on here. So like right here, let's see. So right here it has the end of Jam, but on his pair it actually spells out Space Jam. And let me see the other one. So nope. So on the back this says Jam, but on his pair it actually says like Space Jam spelled like throughout the actual computer chip design. But yeah, so we have that. We got this orange and yellowish kind of like gradient or granite, however you want to say it, fading on the trim right there, and it's also on the trim of the swoosh. And then on the tongue here we have Toon Squad on the both of the tongues right there. On the inside you have this like lettering. It says WBE. I'm guessing like Warner Brothers Entertainment. And then it has S21, Space Jam 21 maybe, I don't know. And then on the back of each sneaker it has a different character. So on this one you have LeBron James character dunking the ball. And then on this pair we have Bugs Bunny dunking the basketball as well. So that is the main difference between each shoe. Just nice little touch on it. They didn't have to put this back here, but just something different. And then also you have this black nubuck that wraps around to the other side of the sneaker on this part. And then also the same material goes up onto the lace holes. Oh, also the outsole does glow in the dark, so that might attract a few of the hype beasts or people who are attracted to glow in the dark sneakers. Regardless if this shoe did glow in the dark or not, I still would have copped it because I'm a huge LeBron fan. And Space Jam was my favorite childhood movie, bro. I didn't watch that movie like a million times. So when I seen that these were coming out, and actually, these aren't even on the sneakers app, because right now they do have a few of the other pairs from the Space Jam collection. They have the LeBron 18 lows, the LeBron 18 highs that I was talking about earlier. the Air Force Ones that has like Bugs Bunny, or is that Lola Bunny on the swoosh, and then also a pair of Chucks. So all of those are on the app, but these are not. So right now there's no set release date for this sneaker, and you know, that's one of the main reasons why I got this shoe early in the first place, because I just didn't want to deal with the BS that Nike's probably gonna pull. They're probably gonna make these like a shock drop or like an early access. My guess is these are gonna be early access the day before the Space Jam movie comes out, which is July 16th. So that's in a couple of days from whenever I post this video. Either they're gonna make it early access the day before, or they're gonna do a shock drop on the actual day of the movie coming out. That's not set in stone. That's just my prediction. So just take that with a grain of salt. But yeah, that was the main reason why I wanted to buy these right away, because you know, I don't want to deal with, you know, whatever Nike's gonna do. They're gonna probably try to hype these up, even though a lot of LeBron sneakers have been breaking. To be honest, this probably won't be any different unless they make these super limited. Now, they are quick strike. It does say it on the box. So for those of you who are wondering what the label looks like, you know, we got a Nike LeBron 8 quick strike, size 10, and the colorway is black and white and multicolor. Retail is $200. And like I said, I'm not really sure what Nike's gonna do, but I'm not trying to go through any loopholes to get these shoes. So I had the opportunity to grab these early. I went ahead and did it, and then also, you know, gave me a chance to show you guys an early look of the sneakers. And I can rest assured, the only other shoe that I do want to get, also there is a black Space Jam Air Force One, which that's like the only other, either those or the LeBron 18 highs I'll go for, just for like a collection piece. Those are the only other two shoes out of the Space Jam collection, you know, that I'd be going for. But yeah, man, I'm satisfied with the shoe. And usually I try to find something from the shoe that, you know, I can nitpick, or, you know, just say that something that I want to see done better by Nike. But to be honest, I feel like you know, they kind of covered every aspect of the sneaker as far as the theme and, you know, the meaning behind it. And also, this is probably the best LeBron model. So either the 7s or the 8s, you know, I feel like can't really go wrong with either one of those models. Maybe even the 10s, but I feel like the 8 is the best silhouette. And I'm just surprised that I got these before the South Beaches. And I definitely need to get those. Those are supposed to be coming out on the 21st. They got pushed back. It was supposed to come out on the 10th. They got pushed back to the 21st. But also the Miami Nights. I still need those. But right now, you know, I'm enjoying this nice little pickup. And hopefully, if you guys do want these, hopefully you guys are able to grab these. And if I hear anything or anything like that, I will post it on my Instagram. So go ahead and give me a follow if you guys want to be aware of any updates on these sneakers. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, bro, just expect some BS. I just feel like Nike's gonna pull some crazy stuff. Today they did release the LeBron 18 low Bugs Bunny. They did like a sneakers camera, so they could release these anyway, whether, like I said, it's a shock drop, exclusive access, or maybe a sneakers cam, you know, like they did earlier today. So just be on the lookout. Also, let me grab. I have to pull the original Space Jams out. Now, I know there's not really a debate, because people are already in their feelings, because they feel like the comparison is still going on, because now LeBron has a Space Jam movie. But now we got the original Space Jam, and we got the LeBron Space Jam. Let me know which one would you guys take. Of course, I gotta go with the OG. As much as I love LeBron, you can't beat a Space Jam 11, the OG Space Jam 11. But anyways, yeah, drop a comment down below, and let me know what you guys think about the Space Jams. Will you guys be going after them? Hopefully the movie is good, because usually sequels do kind of suck. So, but anyways, that about does it for the video. I'm gonna get out of here. Leave a thumbs up, drop a comment down below, hit that subscribe button, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace.